Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show how you can replace batteries on your Weiser Smart Lock. And the things you need is first of all batteries. So my door lock takes like 4 batteries. So I have 4 batteries and I'm going to use this Allen wrench. Okay. The very first thing you are going to do is to take the outer cover. Okay, how you are going to do? You have 2 screws, one here. Check your lock, there could be some other locations too based on the model you have, and other here. So I'm gonna use Allen wrench. Okay. Sometimes they do provide this tool with the lock, so I'm gonna unlock it and then I'm gonna show you from there. Okay, so I have removed screws at both the sides. Now I'm simply gonna take this cover off. It's very easy. Okay, now the next thing is to take the battery panel off. So just hold here. Okay, now you see these are the batteries. I'm going to remove them, replace the new batteries, and then I'm going to show you. Okay, so I replaced the battery. Okay, now the same thing we have to do in the revision. So the cover, put back. Okay, you hear the sound. Just move back and forth so that make sure it works. Now I have Rogers home security monitoring, and there I got the indication the batteries were low, so that indication is gone because new batteries have been applied. Now the screws I'm gonna apply one after one using the Allen wrench again. So I'm gonna see you soon. So okay guys, this is all done. So that's how simple it is guys. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.